Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the wireless control on the Zhiyun Crane M2. First, open the ZY Play app and connect it with your gimbal. If you have a camera mounted on the gimbal, just directly press OK. On a Sony camera, go to the application list and then choose Smart Remote Embedded. Click the Wi-Fi icon on the app and a Wi-Fi list will appear. Choose the connection that is associated with the SSID shown on your camera. Then enter the password that is also shown on the camera. Press above the keyboard and then press to connect. Now it will set up a wireless connection between the gimbal and the camera. Once it's connected, now you can press the record button to start and stop recording videos, or double press it to take a picture. And the next time when you turn on your gimbal, you do not need to do this process again with your phone, because there is a history inside of the menu that will save up to 5 cameras, and you can just directly choose which camera that you want to connect to. Hope you found this a very useful video. If you are new to this channel and want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below. Also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.